guys, today I'm here in Fun Monkey with Bum Bum. Where is he, dude? There he is! Bum Bum!
I heard there's an FNAF in it.
What? There's a FNAF? Oh, you mean Night Beta?
Yeah,
let's check it out! We should definitely check it out.
It's true!
No, it's called Night now. It's not beta anymore. It means the animatronic has got animation. Oh my god. Bro, this is real talk right now.
No!
This is FNAF. Bro, what? It even has cameras.
I've never seen it like this.
It even has the cameras from the OG one. Maybe the animatronic finally got movement. Maybe they finally got movement
now. We're not
now.
lying, Garby. We've actually never seen this, have we?
Yeah, really.
No.
What's open?
Bro, turn on. No, close the door.
What the? Look at this details.
I see you on the camera. I see you on the camera.
They're not moving. Come on. Come out here. They're not moving. Oh,
No.
they just started. Oh my god. They're fully animated. They're fully animated. Their animation is sick. We have to check this out.
Wait, what's that? Oh, shoot.
Is Foxy alive?
I hope not.
Okay, let's see. Foxy's here.
Bro, I'm too scared.
The animatronics are fully animated. Come on. This is sick. You have to watch this. And Bonnie's dating Chica right now. Help! Help! Please open the door.
MJ.
Bonnie's in the hall.
Oh! Nope.
Oh my god, this is so cool. That's fully animated. Really?
What's out here? What's out there?
That's the other hallway. And Fox is in here too. Oh my god, Chica, look. Chica. No, please, let me in. Come on, we have to check it out. We have to walk around a bit.
Okay. Oh
my god! Chica's chasing me. Oh my god, parts of the service looks so crazy.
Bro, what? Nah, what the Sigma?
It's the outside. We can leave the pizzeria. Oh no, we can't.
MJ, come back.
The toilets are real.
MJ. Oh, I see you on the camera.
Run. They're everywhere. Open the door.
Yo, I just saw you on the camera.
Open. Chica's coming. Chica's coming. Please.
MJ.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this is literally so scary.
Bro, I saw you.
This is so cool, fully animated. I checked every room, and this is so
cool. I saw you on the camera.
Oh my god, I just looked. Did he get reset? Oh my god, this is so cool. Did he just got resetted? Wait, let me look at Bonnie's little room. Hey, this is actually sick. This is actually the best FNAF room I've ever seen in my entire life.
This
is stage. There's nobody on. What the? Bonnie's here?
MJ. Ah!
He's still here. Okay, let me just look for Fox.
No.
I think Foxy's not gonna move. Actually,
MJ,
Fox.
can I come?
Yeah, they're chilling. As long as you don't come near them, they chill. As long as you don't come near them. You have to come out of the right door. They're just
MJ, just come back.
Bro, this is sick. You have to real talk right now. Check this out.
Come back.
Oh my god, Freddy. Freddy, please, Freddy. Oh, no. Close. Hey guys, sorry for the video. Just got it ended in a second. So sorry for that. Now we're back on Freddy's here.
Wait, I need to do my controller straps.
Okay, do it. Where is Chica? Oh, Chica's still
Alright.
in the hall, right? Okay, let's
MJ.
go over now. Man, this is so cool. With all
MJ.
these details, every tiny detail in parts of the
MJ.
service. Everything is perfect.
MJ,
Yes?
I'm scared.
You don't have to be scared. Bro,
Oh,
Chica's in the Chica's in the hall. Oh, Chica. Chica, please. Chica. Oh, Chica. Oh my god!
God damn it! God damn it!
I need to get out of here. Oh my god.
Bye.
Okay.
Holy stick, man, that was scary.
Oh my god, they're blocking. Hey, can you open the left door?
Come on.
Come on, fast. Fast, fast. Right door. I mean, right door.
Thank you so much, MJ.
Oh!
Oh.
Okay, guys.
MJ.
Away.
Ow. I'm safe. MJ. No, MJ, do this. But yeah. Down. Then you can like yes. Oh shoot.
Oh my god.
Oh. You just
Oh.
went through the wall.
Oh, he's leaving. Okay, guys. So this was it for the video. See you in the next video. And bye.
No. Please.